I have to say, big up to the man, the former king.
Fresh drop.
On behalf of the entire Jamaica, the music fraternity, Joe Bogdanovich and Reggae Sumfest, we are here to crown the legend, Adidja. Well, nothing, nothing. Remember, said the king sent for me, no?
Yeah, don't do that.
And the king said, no man will put the crown on his head.
Yes.
Remember, I'm in Europe and the king said, Queen,
yes.
and you will want to put the crown on my head.
And you don't see him back the money.
Yes.
I know.
On behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sumfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adidja Azim Palmer. All hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel! Let's go! Long live the king of dancehall!
Thank you.
Long live the king!
We can use your song. Oh, Joe, White guy, you want to say something?
This is a great historical moment,
Yeah.
and we're blessed to be here. And people get excited sometimes and they do some things, but you know, it's all about love, it's about change. It's about community and helping one another, and this man, big him up. Come on, let's hear it for Vybz Kartel! I can't hear you!
Yeah, sure.
I can't hear you!
Big up yourself, Jenna. Big up. Your young people is a joy. And I'm telling you something, it's a joy. You see them yourself, you never go on a country. And the people have say, well, boss, you finally, officially deserve it. Big up yourself, Spice.
Hold on, the media, hold on.
Fresh
May I have a
drop.
towel, please? The media down here have complained.
So what?
Let me get a towel for the king, please. The king of sweat, intermission.
Officer, that you decide on it, where you go? Yeah. Join me, baby.
Make to friend.
Oh, man, I kiss you in the Spice.
The media is complaining that they were a bit distracted and they never got a good picture.
They were
So we're
never-
going to do it. All the media here in the pit. So I'm going to do it again.
Yeah, take time.
I am here to crown
Yes.
the cerebral luminary, Adidja Azim Palmer. We're happy now. All here, the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Fully. Thank you, Jamaica. It's a pleasure. Big up to the whole down south team, Reggae Sumfest. Big up to the Queen Spice. A.k.a. World Wife. And big up, most of all, Father God, I never did people, I only listen to Kartel. I only say I'm the teacher from Black Kartel. Bleach out face Kartel. Kartel in prison. Kartel on road. And Kartel now the writers in front of now. How we do it?
Yep.
Enough respect and enough love to them. How many sound, Spice?
One king.
How your name?
One king.
Any other king, I must burn a king.
Hi. Never say this. Because I can be the bigger man. I have to say, big up to the man. The former king. But no. What big up to one of the legend of the city, Bounty Killer. If I never you want to stand up on the stage, I know, because you believe in me. So big up Bounty Killer. Big up Ojo Bantan and Ninja Man are the two biggest inspiration in the music. And then the ear and say, I want to do this. So all of the Gaza fans and the Kartel fans, and Ojo and Ninja me as a little youth, and I said, no man, this is what I want to do. And see me there now. So big up on yourself. And